Zerto's failover test ensures that if an actual failover is needed, the failover will perform as expected. To complete a failover test, click the blue Test button in the bottom left corner of the ZVM. Select a single VPG, multiple VPGs, or a subset of VMs within a VPG. Click Next. In the parameters, select the checkpoint that you would like to use for the test, or leave the default. Click Next. Click the Start Failover Test button. To validate that the test is working, go to the hypervisor client of the target site and look for the names of the VMs that are in the source site with a testing recovery appended to the end of each name. Administrators or application owners can then perform their own user acceptance testing to ensure the VMs, and the application as a whole, has spun up as expected in the recovery site. Once you are finished testing and have validated the VMs on the target site, click Stop underneath Running Tasks on the ZVM dashboard. You can also stop the test by going into the VPG tab and clicking the Stop icon next to Testing Failover in the Operation column. A stop test warning will appear, and you can set the result and add notes to the test. Click the blue Stop button. A checkpoint is automatically added during a failover test and tagged. This makes it easy to find in the journal if you later need to identify this point in time for other recovery operations, such as a live failover. In the hypervisor inventory of the target site, the testing VMs will now be gone. Since Zerto automatically manages the deployment and cleanup of test VMs, it's critical that these VMs are not manually removed from inventory during or after a test. The results of the test will also be available for download within the report section of the ZVM.